Welcome all viewers. Now I am going to discuss Python programming to calculate age using Jupyter Notebook environment. To call Jupyter Notebook environment, first of all you have to move to your working directory from the command prompt. There you have to type Jupyter Notebook. Then it will open a screen like this where left side is showing the codes within your Python working directory. Then to invoke Python, you have to call Python from the new command. Then it will open a screen like this where you can run your code line by line in a cell. Here I shall load by code already I have written in final file. So it will load all the codes within the environment. To calculate age, first of all, you have to execute date and time package. Here what I have done, I have written from date and time import date, execute it with the run command. Then I have assigned a date arbitrarily selected to a variable birth date. Then I printed it, where the date of birth is 1st January 2001. Now the current date I have to assign to a variable today. I can select any, arbitrarily I have taken today, and current date I have taken using today function of date. So current date is 19th of February 2023. Now simply to calculate year, you have to subtract birth year from today's year. Now you have to follow a tricks, that is you have to compare the tuple of birthday month and day with current month and day. If birthday month day tuple is greater than today's month and day tuple, then it should subtract 1. So since it is a logical statement, it will return true. True in arithmetic form, it is 1. So if we consider this example, so it will return false because the birthday is January and current time is February. So it will return false. With this we can formulate the age in the form today's year minus birthday year minus today's month and day tuple less than birthday month and tuple. Since this is false, it will return 0. Age is this, so age you can print age as 22. But scenario is different if we take birthday month as March. So if birthday is 3rd month, that is March, then the scenario will be different because the birthday month 3 and current month is 2. So birthday month is greater than present month. So it will subtract 1 from the age and it will be 21. So with this we can define a function age with 2 arguments, birthday and today. And then use the same formula as I have mentioned. So it will return age is integer. So execute this definition, it will load in the memory. Then assign a date of birth to birth date and current time to today and execute it. Then you can see the present date and the output of logical statement. This is false. So with this, if you execute age with birthday and today and print it, it will show 22. Now if you want to calculate age in terms of year, month and date, you have to use 2 arithmetic operations, that is integer division and modulo operation. Integer division symbol is double slash, it returns integer, and modulo operation returns remainder. So in this particular case it will return 8 and remainder as 1 because we are dividing 25 by 3. With all these things, if we define another function h2 with birth date and today as argument, then first of all I have to define a difference. So we have to take the difference between current time and birth date and then convert it into days by days function of date. Then that variable I have assigned it to a variable tot days. From that tot days I have calculated years by integer division of 365.25. Then to calculate month and day I have taken remainder of total days by dividing it 365 using modulo operation. So remainder is the remaining days. From there I have calculated a month by integer division with remainder by 30 and days of module operation by 30. So this function will return 4 items, total days, years, month and days as tuple. So if date of birth is 1st January 2000 and current time is 1st January 2018, both of these I have taken arbitrarily. So it will return 4 items, total days, years, month and days from the S2 function. So we can display all these things using a print statement, well formatted piston I have used. So it will return 6575 as the total number of days, 18 as years of age and month 0, days 5. So I think you have got an idea how to calculate age using Jupyter Notebook environment. Those who are interested in the subject, they can go to my last video. In that video, I have discussed the age in theory in detail. If you have liked this session, you can press like button and don't please forget to subscribe the channel. Wish you success. Thank you.